Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you from zero to hero using my 0 to 100 beginner's guide to building an email list from scratch. I've actually been in the exact same position as you before, and I had to start right from scratch when I took a completely different direction with my business. And while it can be really intimidating, I'm here to help you grow that email list. And the best part is that by focusing on growing your email list, it's a platform that you have complete control over, it has more flexibility and more freedom, and you can communicate how and when you want to. And ultimately, it's a better way to make connections and sales. Make sure to stick to the end where I take you through the exact steps you need to do, tools, and all that cool stuff to go from 0 to 100 email subscribers. Before we dive into the video, I just want to let you know that I've put links to resources and anything that I have in the comment section below the video, so definitely check those out. And if you find my content helpful today, please make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep creating more for you guys. Okay, so there are 3 things that you are going to need. The first thing is you're going to need a targeted place where there are a lot of people online already. The second thing you're going to need is something that you can give those people in exchange for their email address. And the third thing you're going to need is a tool to help you deliver and capture email addresses automatically. But first, let's talk about that targeted online space. When you're looking for the perfect online space, it's going to need to be somewhere where an audience has already been built up, or a place where people are already searching for answers to their questions. Let's say you're passionate about fashion and you have a target niche of women 30 to 40 who want affordable capsule wardrobes. Now, I know myself that Pinterest is amazing for fashion and already has a huge audience of women already on the platform, already searching for clothes and inspiration. So in this case, my target space is looking pretty good as it already ticks off 2 of the things that we need. People are already searching for something, aka the clothes, and the second thing is a targeted audience of women. Facebook groups are also very similar because people are already part of a community that they are interested in interacting with. And most likely they are already posting in that group, asking for guidance or help or advice on something. Now, the next thing you're going to need to do is give something to get something. When you're starting to grow your email list, the easiest thing that you can do, honestly, especially when you're a beginner, is to give something away for free in exchange for somebody's email address. The technical term is called a lead magnet. So using our capsule wardrobe example, you could create an ebook with Canva. Something like the ultimate guide to building your capsule wardrobe would be great. When somebody wants to download it, all they need to do is pop in their email address into your capture page and then they'll get the ebook. This is a great way to build your email list and go from 0 to 100 subscribers. So let's talk about what makes or breaks this whole process, and that is automation with the perfect tool. The tool that you're going to use to capture email addresses and deliver your ebook automatically is System.io. Let me jump on over to my computer and I'll show you exactly how you can set this up and exactly how you can use it. Okay, so I'm in my System.io account and this is usually what it looks like. I have got a free lead magnet funnel for you, which is super awesome. So this is basically what it looks like. It's really easy to use. The faster people can put in their names and their email addresses, the better. You can customize this exactly how you like. You can put a really cool graphic. You can just make something in Canva and you can update this so it has all of your content in there. So this is how it looks in the back end. You'll see that there is a opt-in page or a squeeze page, which is the first step, the thank you page, which is shown after people subscribe. And then of course you always need to have in your funnels, every single one of them, a privacy, a terms, and a contact page. And that's just so you are nice and legal. Okay, so let's go through how you would actually update this and how you would customize it so that you can start collecting those email addresses. So once you download the lead magnet template, it will come into the funnels section here and you will see it come into your System.io account. So all you need to do is click on edit page. And from here, you basically just need to customize it so that it has all of your details. So change the logo. So System.io makes it really easy because you can click on all of the content and you can just upload things. So if I wanted to change an image, I can click on the logo image I have and then upload my new image into there, which is really cool. So I highly recommend coming up with some really, really cool copy that is going to make your customers want to give you their email address. Now, I've also got in a comment section below of the video, if you've got nothing to give your clients, I've got an ebook that will teach you how to make lead magnets, and you can even use it for your own lead magnet if you want to. You can resell it, you can customize it, all that kind of stuff. It's an ebook, so you could potentially change this image to a picture of that updated ebook, and that's what you could give away in exchange for their email address. So here you can see that you can customize all of the text just by clicking on it and then writing whatever it is that you want to put in there. You don't need to worry about any of these because that is all done for you. Now, I recommend that you do put your own customized image in here because this is just a image of the template, obviously, to show you what it is. Now, you'll also notice sometimes on templates that I make that there is a little red button up here that says desktop only. And that's because with Systeme.io, and I absolutely love this feature, you can toggle between desktop and mobile, and you can make the two different designs like completely different so that they're not even the same. So you will see that this says mobile only, and that's because the picture or the image that I've put in there, I wanted it to come after the text rather than how it had it stacked when it does it like natively. So just make sure that you always keep an eye out for little images or that red tag that says mobile only or desktop only, because when you switch between the two, you will need to update those separately. And of course, you just need to update the text and put your own image in there as well. Of course, if you want to like completely delete this section, you can as well. You would just delete it there and you don't even need it. So it's not compulsory, but you can do whatever you like in here. The other thing that you will notice is that there is the menu section here, which is the privacy policy, your terms and conditions, and your contact. You have to have these in your funnels because you need to be legal and you need to make sure that you are ticking all the boxes. So you will just see here that when I clicked on it, there's like a link that goes here. Now this goes to my own privacy policies and all that kind of stuff. You need to put your own ones which are inside the funnel. So I'll show you quickly where those are. So if I just exit out of there, these are the pages here that I was talking about, and you can easily get the URL just by clicking on here and you'll see that the URL is there. So you can update that to whatever you want it to say, and you could just copy it there and come back to the page and edit it, and all you need to do is update the menu. So we'll just go down here and click on here, and then you would just copy and paste the link into there. I'm not going to save that because I don't actually want those changes to be saved. So you would just do that for the privacy and your terms. If you don't have any privacy or terms on this page, you will be able to get some. I put a link up there as well for you, so it's really easy, but you can see how much stuff you actually need. It's better just to like go through a generator. And the contact page you can also customize as well, but you know, for ease of use, I probably would just leave it how it is because it's just really simple. And if someone needs to get in contact with you, they will be able to do that easily. Okay, so when people sign up for your freebie that you're giving away, how do you actually deliver it? Well, you come to automation rules and you will see that this is already set up. So I'm just going to go through this for you. I don't think that these will copy over when you get your template, but so I'm just going to do it from scratch just so you can see, but you would go add rule. Oh, sorry. Let's actually delete it and I'll start from the start. Delete rule. Okay. So you are going to go to add rule, funnel step form subscribed, and then you're going to click on that. You're going to go to add action, and you are going to add a tag. You always add tags very, very first when somebody enters your system because you want to know where they came from and how they got there. So I am going to choose free lead magnet template because that's how people are coming into the system. Your tag is going to be completely different and customized. I'm just going to save that because I always like to save after I do the first thing. Then you're going to go to add action and you're going to send an email. So this is going to deliver the ebook, right? So I'm going to go to whatever email it is that I've got. I'll just put in a random one. Don't miss a golden goose. I don't know what this email is. I can't remember what I've written about it. But anyway, it would be, you know, here is your ebook or here's your delivery, and you can edit it there. And let's just delete that for now. And you would put in the subject like, here is your freebie. Thanks for signing up. Something like that. Then all you do is, you know, write a little message to the subscriber, and you're going to need to put a link to your PDF. So I'm just going to say, you know, PDF link just for now. And I'm going to highlight that. So I already have my freebie ready. I store everything in Dropbox. You can use Google Drive if you want to, or you can even use Canva links, I think, as well. But all you basically need is somewhere where there's a storaging system. And I'm just going to copy the Dropbox link. Now, one thing that I've learned, which is really cool, is if you put things into Dropbox and you update them, then if you save them as the exact same name, it will update here and you won't need to change the link. Hopefully that makes sense. But anyway, so here's the PDF link there. I'm just going to go like this and I'm going to copy that in there. And I've saved that, and you will see that that link is live. So when someone gets that email, they are going to come and they are going to be able to get the lead magnet, which is the ebook, which I have, which is Create Converting Lead Magnets. So you can see how cool that is. And that will go straight to their inbox. So all you need to do is make sure that you save that. I'm not going to save this one because I don't want it in my system because it was just a test. But you can see how that would go. Now, make sure you save the rule. Now, one thing I highly recommend whenever you're creating opt-in pages is test it yourself. So once you've got it in your system, sign up yourself and see how it goes through and make sure everything looks and is working correctly. Your main job now is to take action every single day and attract people to your lead magnet. Make sure to keep a track of what you're doing and how many subscribers you're reaching every single day so you can hit that 100 subscribers. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions below. I always answer all of my comments. And make sure to check out this video because it's going to help you level up even further.